Aditi Kapoor from Arjis Car Show, and today I'm going to give you the review of the new Renault Kwid. So this car was launched 1 year ago, and since then Renault is keep updating this car. First they launched the 0.8 liter version, then they launched the 1 liter version, and now they have launched the 1 liter version with AMT, which means automatic manual transmission. It's basically the automatic transmission. So first we will see the car from in front. So in front you get bold shape size grille with chrome inserts. You also get diamond size logo. Now I will show you the car from side. Side, you get 13-inch alloy wheels, and the ground clearance of the car is 180 mm, which is the highest in this segment. You also get the silver paint on the rear view mirrors. These are two-tone OVRMs. You also get a 1 liter cladding beneath the door. Now I am going to show you the car from rear. So in rear you get nice inserts from the tail lamps. These are also conventional. You get this EasyR badge, which shows that this is the automatic version. Nice this chrome steel lining across the boot. Now I'm going to tell you about the boot of this car. So let me open this. You do not get any button for the boot, but the boot is very light. So it's a 300 liter boot, and it's the largest in the segment. If you compare the boot with Alto K10, it gets 177 liters of boot, and this gets 300 liters of boot, which is nice for a segment like this. Now I will tell you about the interior of this new Renault Kwid. So welcome to the interior of the new Kwid. You get nice piano finish interior, and you get nice space for keeping your stuff. Nice space here also. You also get a 7-inch touch screen. And I'm surprised to see that you get a touchscreen in a 5 lakh rupees car. On-road price of the car is around 4,94,000. So in round figure it's 5 lakh only. Except you get this nice air conditioner. You also get power windows, but the difference is the power windows are not controlled from here, they are controlled from here. And you also get this AMT dial. You do not get any gearbox for automatic. You get this AMT dial. It has 3 modes. This is the drive, neutral, and reverse. It's similar to the dial which you get in Jaguar. In Jaguar cars also you get dial like this. So now I'm going to show you about the touchscreen. So this is the radio. It's a 7-inch touchscreen. This is media. Right now I have not stored any music. You also get navigation system. So you can see this is the navigation system. You can roll it. And I'm surprised to see that in a 5 lakh car you get these types of features. These are the settings. You also get Bluetooth connectivity and phone connectivity. So let me switch on the light. You also get digital display here. Nice lights. Nice all around. And you also get plenty of spaces. You also get a power outlet here, and legroom in the front and headroom is adequate. Now I'm going to tell you about the rear comfort of this new Renault Kwid. I've set the seats in both positions, so you get adequate legroom and nice headroom. This beam is, but the thing which I do not like is because of this beam. Because my height is less, but if a 6-footer will sit in the car in front, it would touch, his head would touch with this beam. I do not like this beam, except that the seat is very comfortable. But in rear you do not get any power windows. In rear you get normal windows, manual. Now I am going to tell you about the technical data of this new Renault Kwid. So I was talking about the technical data of this new Renault Kwid. You get 67 bhp of power at 5,500 rpm and 91 Nm of torque. If you talk about the fuel consumption of this new Renault Kwid, the average of the fuel consumption in petrol manual is 23 kilometer per liter, and in petrol automatic is 24 kilometer per liter. So this car is very nice, and if you see the car from in front, it looks like a SUV, and from back it looks like a hatchback. So it's a SUV inspired car, and it's amazing car. If you talk about the price of the car, it's 4.25 lakh rupees, and it's the ex-showroom price of the car, and on-road price of the car is 4.94 lakh rupees. So it will cost you around 5 lakh rupees on-road. Thank you for watching my video. I'm Hardik Kapoor from Hardik's Car Show. Please subscribe me on YouTube.